Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the door handle on a Dodge Ram 1500. This is a 1999 model. I'm not sure, but the handle looks pretty similar on a lot of different models. I will try to research it and see which handles fit for which models, but this is my model, 1999 Dodge Ram V8, which shouldn't make any difference, but this is how to do it. Thanks. For the truck, broke, and I have a T30 star bed that fits inside, so that's what I'm gonna take it off with. Then an 11 millimeter will fit right on it as well, so you can use your 11 millimeter ratchet.